Introduce yourself and tell us about your Forester.
My name's Chris. This is my 2001 Forester. Started out as a automatic, small, stock turbo car. Now it has a big turbo, manual transmission, all the brakes, everything's been touched.
Why a Forester? What attracts you to this type of wagon, I guess you would call it?
It started off just needing a daily, and then it's got lots of room in the back, it's got lots of space for people, decent on fuel, and then turned into this thing that just sucks back fuel and it doesn't have that much room in the back either.
Is this your first Forester?
First Forester, yes. Third Subaru, first Forester.
Okay, cool. Have you owned any other cars?
I've owned everything from like a Toyota MR2, Prelude, I owned a Nissan pickup truck, and then, Legacy, another Legacy, and then a Forester.
Nice.
Yeah.
I gotta ask, was the Nissan it was like a D21, sort of hard body?
Yeah.
And was it like lowered?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, lowered, rear
sweet.
wheel drive, manual. Yeah,
I love those trucks.
I really want to get another one.
Okay, so what would you change about the Forester if you could, or what's next with the car?
It's pretty much at its peak right now. I think I want to redo like the brake system because it's got an old ABS system that's never worked. So I want to take that out, not quite manual brakes, but like stiffer brakes that I can control better. And then just taking it to the track, get some times, see what it can do.
Oh, nice. So you've never taken it to the track before?
No. I did once, but then a R34 wrecked in front of me and they called off the rest of the day. So,
oh,
yeah.
Too bad.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta ask, it's right on the windshield. What is Ghost Gang?
Ghost Gang's a club, just a driver's club. They do a lot of car shows. They were originally based out of Edmonton, but have since moved to Vancouver.
Cool.
So just a bunch of goofballs.
Bunch of ghosts.
Yep. Ghost
Gang. Ghost Gang.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, Chris, do you have any favorite memories of the car?
Just in general, driving it after a car meet, driving it home, just every time.
What song perfectly describes driving this car?
I would say Night Call by Kravinsky.
Nice.
Really good song.
From Drive.
Yeah.
So do you work in automotive, or is this all a hobby? Because I know you did all the work on this Forester.
Was out of necessity starting to work on the car, and then it just kind of devolved into this hobby that's taken up most of my life, money, and time. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you work in a garage at least, or are you just
Nope.
on the street?
Just working on my street, have a parking space in the back of my house, and it's angled like this, so I gotta be careful on that, but I work on the street. Sometimes in a friend's garage, but hardly ever sees a garage.
Yeah. Kindred souls here. I'm always working in the alley, and I'm always getting hassle from my building manager and neighbors, but you just gotta do it.
Yeah. Gotta be done.
Okay, so if people want to see more of this car, where can they check you out?
I'm on Instagram and YouTube, stressed_garage, try and post as much as possible, but it takes a lot of time to film.
Yeah, I know that. All the specs and details for this car will be down in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe. You know that hustle. And let's take some more sweet looks at this dope bagged Forester.